Numbers are going, I suppose. Oh shit, I forgot a sticker. Hello everybody, welcome back to another. This is going to be a cool, exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. Today's episode, we got a new grill. This is an expert grill. It has stickers on it still, because I didn't get them all. But it does lump charcoal wood logs or charcoal briquettes. We got it at the Walmart for 98 bucks and 46 cents or so. Something like that. I'm just getting the sticker out of the way. Okay. It's got 4 side vents, as you can see, for good control. Nice handle. 4 side vents, 2 here. 2 side vents on this side. See? Pretty decent, yeah. Control that air. It has a side table, little work table, which has a sticker on it too. This can hold 22 pounds. It has 3 racks to hang your utensils on right there. And I'll get that after a while. I don't even think I need to mess with it. This is a ash pan. You just pull the pan out and empty it, which is really cool. It's got a bottle cap opener. This is where you put in your charcoal. You just load it in through here in the little door. I'll show you this little handle here in a second. Got a nice handle here. Got a pretty decent thermometer on it. Look at this, folks. Got your upper rack. And here you got a nice cast iron rack. This is I think a 32-inch cooking surface area on this one. But you got your 2 racks. And look at here, it's the cool part. You're smoking something, or you're slow cooking something. Your rack is down here, right? Watch this. You want to sear a steak or some pork chops? Look at that. Reverse Spanish style grill. Crank that right up. Puts it right up to your grate. Great for searing stuff. And that's about all you got to do for this part. What we're going to do is take these inside. And I'm going to show you how to cure your grill up so you can use it. You can't use them right off of the bat. So I'll see you back inside. Record. Okay, here's part 2. What you're doing to cure your grill and get it ready for use. Your new cast iron grate grill. These grates, watch out, they come with a wax coating for shipping. So you want to wash them in warm soapy water. Give them a quick gentle washing down. This should get rid of the freaking shipping wax, they call it. So you wash these down nice, like this. Give them a good scrubby scrub. I probably could use a new scrunchie pad, but that's alright. We'll get her done. This is just kind of taking the wax off of the... Because they don't want it rusting while they're shipping it. That's understandable, right? I'm going to do both sides. And this will get that wax knocked off of there. You don't really see chunks of wax come off per se. But you can kind of feel it turn less slippery, I guess you could say. Give them a good scrubby like this. Give them a good rinse in hot water. Burn your hand. Give them off a good rinse in hot water here. Get all that off of there. Like so. And turn them around. Rinse this all off. Now you can start feeling it's a little bit more gritty feeling, like cast iron, you know what I mean? Feeling, ugh, as you stab the coffee pot. See? Then you're going to take these, and you're going to set them out. And you're just going to stand them up and just let them dry completely. Don't dry them with a towel, just let them sit and drip dry. It'll take a while, but they'll dry. See? One more time to repeat. You can feel they're a little smooth. Take a scrubby, scrub them down. Boy, my fingers are going right through this little scrubby. I just don't feel like stopping everything right now just to get a goddamn new one. So they're in the drawer. I know I cut some new ones up. Yes, now we're talking. New one. Thank you, LAG to Mama. Say hello to the world. Now we're talking. So you just wash these up, warm soapy water, not super hot, just warm for the scrub. Yeah, there we go, getting it all washed. Drip a little sweat on it too if you can. If you can work up a sweat on it, do it. It's fucking blazing right now here in Florida. Supposed to get thunderstorms today. and tropical downpours. We'll see. It's not supposed to start till about noon or a little after. And it's only, I don't know, 10 something, I think. Yeah, 10:30. Scrub these down. They'll start feeling a little bit more rough. Just like so. Give them the hot rinse. Like, rinse them off. Rinse them off. Like that. See? I'm just going to let them sit there and until they're dry. All the way dry. And I'll see you in just a couple of minutes and we'll get the next step going. See that? And we're back. Now what we've done is taken, I'm using lump charcoal in this case. Charcoal, well, a little bit of wood, stick wood, you know, or regular charcoal. Got it laid out here. We're going to simulate just doing a cookout, but we're not going to cook, you see. So I've laid this out here in the tray. Got the tray all the way down. It's regular cooking cycle. And look at this. You're on the table now, the end table of this thing. Oh, I love that. Much easier. So we're going to put a little bit of charcoal fluid, lighter fluid on here. We've got our ash pan we pushed in, our ash catching pan. It says never run these grills without the ash catching pan in position. So here we go. Our grates are dry inside from their warm water washing, and we are going to season them up and get them ready to come back on here. But we have to light this first, and then we're going to let it come up to where the coals are ready, like just like you're going to grill, where they're warm, and then we put the grates on here. I'll show you when we get to there. It's like this. Just like that. This away from here. Oh shit, get you away from there. And we're going to just let these cook down until they get coals are just like regular coals, ready to go. So there you have it. I'm going to keep an eye on it until that fire dies down a touch, on and off here through the door. See, we're right here inside the, right outside the door here. And that way I make sure I don't catch the damn house on fire. Now what we got here is a basic shortening. You don't want to use butter. You don't want to use anything with sugar or salt in it. Just basic shortening, right? Vegetable shortening. Remember our grates. Nice dry grill grates now. Like that. The wax is washed off of them. This is the top, the pointy side. I'm going to lay this down. What we're going to do is take some of this. I'm going to rub it on here. All coated. Coat the whole thing with this shortening, see? Just like this here. We're going to do both sides, corners, edges. Coat the whole thing with this shortening. What it does is when we put this over the heat of the coals, this shortening is going to soak into the pores of the cast iron and kind of give it a seal and a nose stick. Keep it from rusting. You want to do this pretty often with your cast iron grates. I would say probably, like, it depends, you know, like maybe once a month or so, once every 2 months. Just keep an eye on them. You don't want to, you start noticing a little bit rusty look or your food sticking, retreat them. It's not that difficult. Doesn't take very long. We're going to coat these up here like this. Make sure I got it all on here. And the BLG way. Like that. I'm going to flip him over now. I want to do the back side here. I'm going to coat this side up. Nice, good slathering. A good thick coat. I'm trying to keep it from going through to the counter right here. I don't know why the paper towel did not overlap, but it didn't. That's fine. My counter, I'll clean it if I want to. Get this all coated up here. Just like that, see? There we go. And along the edge here. All that. Just like that. Now I'm going to do the other grate real quick. And we'll wait for them coals out there to get ready to look like they're ready to cook on. Then we'll slap these grates on there, and we'll move from there. Okay, see, we've got the grill coming up over past 325 right here, and that's pretty close. So what we're going to do now, use a hot pan thing. They say these handles can get hot on these. Yeah, we got some coals going here. We'll take our grates, and we'll slide them in here the right way. My hand is upside down, but I can switch them. pop our grates in right now, and like this, you can't see. We'll pop our grates in the grill like this here, just like this. Nice little finger holes. Make sure they're right side up. Line them up there. Shut the lid. Just like that. I'm going to shut these top grates off. The more you close the upper grates, the upper vents, the more heat stays in the grill. The wider you open the bottom vents down here, the more air gets in and it burns hotter, see? So what I'm going to do here is open these up pretty much all the way, I guess, on the bottoms, but I'm going to close the tops. That's going to let air come through, get the coals hotter, and it's not going to be able to get out. It's going to stay hot. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to let that sit there and go through a complete cycle. That's going to sit there and do its thing until the grill is completely cooled off. Okay? And then you clean out the ashes from the ash pan thing at the bottoms and stuff. And well, then it's ready to reload any time and use to grill. And that, folks, is how you set up your new cast iron grate grill. And we'll have to wait for storms. It's supposed to start storming here in about a half hour. We'll see. Once that gets all the way down cooked and cooled all the way off, if it ain't storming or anything, I guess we'll throw some steaks on, and I'll go on through with the review of the 24-inch heavy-duty charcoal grill by Expert Grill. So anyways, I guess I'll just end for now. That's good for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and set up your new cast iron grate grill. Be ready to grill for when it's summertime. It's going to be nice and stuff. So for Hands On with BLG, for BLG with the slick down sweaty hair again, I am BLG. I am Lefty, and I am Righty, holding the garbage paper towels. We'll see you guys back here next exciting episode. Peace out, peoples. Goodbye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around